Hi, Rachel Belch here with the Cameron team at Coldwell Banker Seacoast Advantage. Welcome to 422 Old Stage Road in Richlands. You wonder where Richlands is? It's about 15 minutes from Jacksonville and 35 minutes to North Topsail Beach. This property is 1426 square feet and set on a 1.4 acre lot. Yes, you heard me, 1.4 acres. So if you want to get out of the city and have some space, this is your place. Let's take a look. Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Let's take a look inside. Right off of the front entrance, you will find the primary bedroom suite. It has lovely tray ceilings, a ceiling fan, and a large closet. In the primary bathroom, you will find a double vanity, a soaker tub, a walk-in shower, a linen closet, and a private water closet. As you exit the primary bedroom, you will find a coat closet, access to the 2-car garage, and a laundry room. The living room and kitchen have an open concept layout. The living room has vaulted ceilings, a ceiling fan, and a fireplace. The kitchen has an island with seating, stainless steel appliances, a pantry, and an eat-in area, and the best part is access to the backyard. To the left of the living room, you'll find 2 bedrooms and a bath in between. This bedroom has 2 windows so you can enjoy the wooded lot outside. It also has a ceiling fan and a double door closet. The bathroom in between the bedrooms has a double vanity, a tub shower combo, and a transom window for extra light. This bedroom also has a window so you can see the wooded lot and double door closet. Now we're going to check out the wooded backyard. This patio is perfect for relaxing after a long day. Again, this is a 1.4 acre lot, so it is great for any backyard activity. If you have any questions, you can contact the Cameron team or myself at 910-840-3380. You can also check us out at thecameronteam.net. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by.